And here we go, entering my workplace. This is where I come every day, the Africa Mental Health Foundation. And there it is. And we go here. Lots of trees, road. I hope there's no car coming behind me. I don't think so. And my finger. Just come down here. You see lots of trees with a lot of sounds of traffic today. A jacaranda tree up there. And down. A lot of forest behind, and then there's the main road. And then here we go. And there's the building. I believe it used to be an old apartment building. That's Africa Mental Health Foundation. And there it is, Africa Mental Health Foundation. It must be early, nobody's here, just two cars. And I'll show you where I go for lunch. Just come out of the building and go down. Lots of beautiful bushes here. There. And that's my lunch spot over there. And then here we go up the stairs, where I go every day. Up the stairs. All beautiful clouds. Lovely smell of trees. Up here. Where's it?